Korean wave has taken the world by storm and gained followers worldwide, capturing the hearts of netizens with Korean dramas and Korean pop music, including Korean cuisine, a global craving because of their mouth-watering appeal. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip to dine at Fantastic Baka for an authentic Korean barbecue at the lower ground level of SM City San Lazaro in Felix Huertas Street, Lacson Avenue, Santa Cruz, Manila. We Filipinos love to eat out with friends and families after school, after a day's work, or even after going to a grocery at the mall. At SM malls, besides food courts, new food stalls and restaurants have sprouted like mushrooms now and then, making every dining out a pleasure, one of which is Fantastic Baka. Fantastic Baka, which is conveniently outside the SM San Lazaro supermarket, offers an eat and drink all-you-can meal with a diverse selection of delicious Korean barbecue meats and sides at an enticing deal of 599 pesos, which includes freshly cut classics of 7 fantastic pork, namely Samgyup Sal, thin belly, spicy pork, pork jowl, pork Hangjeong, seasoned pork mokshim, and plain pork mokshim, complemented with the complex flavors of Gochujang's chile paste, alongside 3 fantastic chicken, such as BBQ chicken, spicy chicken, and Korean fried chicken coated with a spicy sweet sauce. Banchans or small dishes are part of Korean cuisine. It accompanies the main course of a meal that provides an abundance of textures and flavors to satisfy and suit every palate. Aside from plain rice, Fantastic Baka sets on table 12 fantastic side dishes to be shared, such as pressed vegetable lettuce, spicy mixed vegetables, tteokbokki, potato marble, japchae glass noodles, fermented kimchi, steamed egg, coleslaw salad, stir-fried fish cake, pickled radish, and doenjang stew or soybean paste stew, along with melted cheese sauce, which adds a creamy flavor to premium grilled meats. Cooking another country's food expands our sense of taste and makes us understand their culture. At Fantastic Baka, diners can customize the dishes to suit their dietary needs and preferences. Meat lovers can upgrade their craving to an irresistible BP meal for an additional 100 pesos on top of the 599 pesos unlimited meal. The 699 pesos promo deal includes unlimited servings of 3 fantastic beef, such as the tender Wu Samgyup or beef belly, seasoned plate, and seasoned bulgogi with herbs, spices, and special seasoning sauce added to it, along with 2 fantastic seafood of fried tempura and fried calamari. The hearty meal comes with unlimited drinks of pineapple juice, red iced tea, and Korean milk tea, also known as Nook Cha, which refreshes us throughout the buffet. The Korean barbecue and drinks at Fantastic Baka are a good choice to satisfy your cravings at affordable prices that will not empty your wallet. The waitstaff's fast and attentive customer service is worth mentioning. So come to Fantastic Baka, where affordability meets your dining pleasure. Fantastic Baka's operation hours on Sunday to Thursday are 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. and 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. on Friday and Saturday. For reservations and inquiries, message or call 0945 459 2259. We'll see you on our next food trip at Jacos Burger, located at Laonglaan Road, Sampaloc, Manila. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.